Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video I am going to share with you guys my favorite Amazon finds. So these are not going to be makeup products. Like, I only have one makeup product to be honest, but mostly these are a compilation of other products that I got, like just aesthetic organization. I got some just random stuff on Amazon that I have been using for quite few months and I really have been loving it, so I just decided to share them with you guys. So anyway, if you are someone who's new to this video and if you are watching me for the first time, first of all, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it here. If you end up liking the content, you can hit the subscribe button if you want to, and also the notification bell, because that way only YouTube is going to recommend you my videos more. So let's get on with the video now. So if I'm looking down, I actually have all my notes here where I got all the products from and the prices of these products. So the first thing that I got here is this mirror that you see. I already have talked about this mirror on my channel, but if you are someone new, I have gotten this mirror like 2 months ago, and oh my god, I love it so much. It was pretty inexpensive considering that it is like a really large mirror and you do get a very magnifying side. I'm really sorry, my mirror is extremely dirty, but anyway, yeah, so I got this mirror and I am super happy that I got it. Especially if you are someone who is a content creator, you need this mirror because you can keep this mirror far away, so it's not going to be in frame, because it has this magnifying side that you can see very, very clearly. So this is the normal side and you can see the camera right here. I'm really sorry about it, but you can see that camera being right there. This is just the normal side, and this is the magnifying side, so you can see the camera like looks more zoomed in. I think it was really a good purchase, and this also feels a little flimsy, like it doesn't feel sturdy, but for 600, I think I got it for 650 rupees. I really think that this was quite a purchase and I really have been using it ever since and I love it so much. So the next product I got here, and I have, I go through these lashes like water. That's because I use this every single time I do my makeup. Like, if you have seen me with lashes anytime on my channel, these are the lashes that I wear all the time. So they don't have a name. I leave the link in the description box because they are just random lashes. What I do is I cut half the part of it and I just apply half of it on my outer corners of the eye. They look super natural. If you are into very, very natural makeup but you still want to apply lashes and you still want to make it look like you're not wearing any lashes, I think these are the best ones to go for. And I really like it a lot, and I just think that it is really one of the best purchases I have made. I got this lashes like 4 years ago, and I have been using it ever since. Ever since I got it, I have been recommending it on my channel. I have been recommending it to my friends. I really have been talking about these lashes non-stop. So the next thing I got here is actually a bra stick-on. I don't know where that is because I am a queen of misplacing things and my organization skill sucks. So I really have no idea where the stick-on is. But if you haven't tried a bra stick-on, and if you have really small boobs like me and you really don't want to wear a bra, and in some outfits like today in this outfit, I honestly cannot wear a bra. Even a strapless bra, I feel like I cannot wear. So that is when this stick-on thing comes. And I have tried a lot of different stick-ons, like I have ordered from Flipkart, but these stick-ons that I will leave in the description box, I don't have the stick-ons with me right now. They are amazing. The glue on that, like, it's not something uncomfortable. I really don't feel uncomfortable at all. The glue, it's going to stay on like for about, I have worn that stick-ons for so long, like I don't even know, but it's going to stay on for 2-3 months, 4 months even. It's going to stay on, and if you really use it very carefully, just after using it, you keep it really nicely, store it very carefully, it is going to last you a lot longer. I am someone, I really don't like to wear bra when I go out. I just feel so uncomfortable wearing a bra. So I just think that wearing a stick-on is the perfect solution for me, and especially because I do have very small boobs. So I really don't have to wear, a bra every time I go out. So yeah, I really do like these stick-ons so much. They are like a life changer, They have been so helpful, and especially wearing outfits like this, it's like really helpful that I don't have to worry about which bra to wear, what bra to wear, what if my strap is showing or not, just apply the stick on and just go out. And honestly, again, the stick on, the adhesive stays on for quite some time. When you feel like the adhesive is kind of, you know, going away, the stickiness of the adhesive, just get a new one. Don't risk it in the public, but yeah, you can get a new one. It just retails for around 200 rupees, so an amazing buy. So the next product I have here is this brush holder. I got this like 6, 7, 8 months ago, and oh my god, I have been using it ever since. And this holds so many of my brushes. Very aesthetic also. It's like so aesthetic to look at. It just sits on my vanity, and I really love how this looks. It has this beautiful glass finish to it. It has this detailing of gold on the sides. Seriously, it's very minimalistic, but I really love it so much. And you can see the brushes in here as well. Like, for example, you do want to take some paste brushes, so there are like separate holders in here as well. There are like 3 compartments in this, so you can actually separate your face brushes, eye makeup brushes, and all of that. I, being the unorganization queen, I am very bad at organizing my things, so I just have it all jumbled up. But you can definitely organize it in a very proper way. And obviously it's made of glass, so you definitely have to, you know, store it in a very nice place so that it doesn't break, or you have to really take care of it a little bit. But I still think that it was such a value for my money, because it is really amazing and it looks so good, you know, sitting on top of my vanity. It just looks very beautiful. So the next product I have here is sitting right there, actually right here. It's sitting right here. I will, you know, get it for you guys. Wait, let me just get that for you guys. This is a glass tray that I got recently from Amazon. I think it was for rupees 400. Really such a great buy, because it looks so aesthetic. It does hold a few of my products that I really want to keep on display. I keep this IKEA small, you know, fake plants here. I have this few skincare, this reed sticks here, right here. As you can see, it just sits on there and it looks very beautiful and very aesthetic. And it is going to hold a little bit of something, you know, like skincare or something. And if you really want, if you are someone who's like a blogger, or if you are a content creator and you do want to, you know, display your makeup in a very aesthetic way, I do think that you're going to love this. Even in your living room, you can just keep this and you can just arrange some cute little pots in here, or anything, any other, you know, decorative pieces. You can keep it right here and it is just going to look very beautiful. I really love this style of pieces, because I feel like they are very minimal, yet they are very eye-catching. So this was also a really great buy from Amazon. So another great buy is this double-sided tape. Now I am just, you know, just recommending you guys some really random pieces, but you need this in your life. Like, if you think you don't need a double-sided tape, you're wrong. Like, you know, ever since I got this, I have been using it. So double-sided tape, I use it for so many different reasons. Especially this one, I have been using it for, again, for my clothing items, because this clothing piece, as you can see, it's very tight, so I don't need this one to stick on my skin. But some pieces, when I get them, even if I stick the bra on kind of a thing, what happens is, if it is loose in this chest area, I will, you know, I will feel like it's going to expose off my boobs, or it's just going to expose this chest area. So that is where this adhesive comes in, because I'll stick it on. It's not going to be harmful for your skin, believe me. So I'll stick it on my skin on one side, and one side I'll just put on the top, and I'll just stick it on the top, and that thing stays on for hours and hours. Yesterday also I went out and I did not have to wear, you know, a bra. I just wore some pads in here, and then I got the stick-on thing, and I just sticked on this, you know, on this area right here, put the top on, and it was sitting on really nicely on my chest area, and I did not have to think about it at all. You know, sometimes even when an outfit is loose in this area, we are so concerned about our, you know, chest area showing up, or, you know, just very concerned, and I stay uncomfortable like that for the whole time. And there are so many outfits that I don't usually wear, because I feel like, you know, my chest is exposed. So this is when I apply this adhesive, and oh my god, this is like seriously the best purchase I got, because I get to wear so many different type of tops right now. I'm wearing so many different types of top, and just, you know, sticking this adhesive right here. And you can also stick this on your back, or anywhere you feel like, you know, you don't want to have that loosened up part of your dress or top. Then you can stick this on, and it's really going to be very, you know, useful for you. So another great buy from Amazon is this lamp that you see here. I am super happy with this purchase because I have actually, I got this purchase like in January, I think so. Yeah, ever since I got this, I have been using it. It's just a very beautiful lamp, and it is so good. Like, the quality of this lamp is so good. It's not flimsy at all. It has this wood kind of a texture. Yeah, I think it's made of wood only, and it has this white silhouette here. I really like it so much. It gives a very minimalistic vibes, and it's really beautiful. It looks very beautiful when you keep it on your vanity, when you keep it on your reading table. Even you can keep this in your living room if you are looking for a great, kind of a study lamp. It's not a study lamp, it's a table lamp. Yeah, if you're looking for a really good table lamp, I think this, you can get it. And yeah, I really personally loved it so much that I really wanted to recommend you guys about this. And even if you are someone who loves, that very aesthetic type of filming setup, you can put this lamp as well in the background. It is just going to give you the very beautiful soft vibes, and that is something that I absolutely love. I don't have any space to keep this lamp in the background right now because it's not a really small lamp, as you can see. So that is the only reason why I am not keeping this in my background right now currently. But to be honest, absolutely, it was a really good purchase. So I kept the best one for the last. This is the best purchase that actually I made on Amazon. This is the IKEA drawer that you see right here. I have all my skincare products in here. Maybe I'll show you guys what I have another day, like my whole skincare collection. But this is my skincare drawer. It is a very good drawer, but the only thing is that you cannot store a lot of heavy things, like a lot of jar items. But I still have like a very minimal, skincare in there, and it does store a great amount of skincare. So I have all my skincare in there. I have few in here as well, just a little bit, which I use on a daily basis. I have it right here. And in here I have all the ones that I keep on rotating or stuff like that. So it comes in this 3 compartments. You have to organize it yourself, like you have to assemble it yourself. But I love it so much. It just goes with my aesthetic, and I love it that it's very tiny. It takes up very little space, and it was around the price of 2,500. Honestly, for 2,500, I really do think it was good. As I said, I got it from IKEA, and you can honestly assemble it, and you can just move this to your other room also if you need it. It's very light also to carry. So I just feel like it is really a good buy, and you guys have been seeing this table on my videos for so long, so I really had to mention about it on today's video. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope this was helpful in any way, because I get a lot of things from Amazon, so I decided why not just share some random things with you guys, because maybe you guys are searching for some products to buy on Amazon. These are my recommendations. So if you see that I'm like super shiny, that's not because I have a ton of highlighter or I'm being oily. It's just sweat. It's so hot right now. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know your favorite random Amazon purchase, and maybe I'll try to check it out and get it on my next purchase. So anyway, I love you guys a lot. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.